Hey guys, Ben Stucker here from MortgageCS with Fredo and Luis. What's up, guys?
What's up?
All right, so Fredo, what happened this morning here?
We signed for our first home.
Signed for the first home. We're down in Philly,
Down in
right?
Philly, South Philly.
So tell us a little bit about why you chose the house that you did.
We chose the house that we did because it had great bones. It's a beautiful home and close to our friends and the things that we like to do in the city.
All right.
And it's great.
Cool. Tell us a little bit about why you chose the mortgage company that you did.
So we actually were referred to by one of our very close friends. She worked with them and loved him, had nothing but great things to say throughout the whole process. And I feel the same way having gone through that process as well. It's just been amazing.
Well, thank you, man. Tell us maybe what were one of the two things during the mortgage process that really stood out to you? Sort of like, hey, that's cool, you know, that they do that, or what are some of the things that really stood out to you as good things?
I would say the step-by-step walkthroughs. Ben's always available, text, email, phone, whatever it may be, but just like getting on a screen and being able to see everything right in front of you just makes the transparency really key.
That's awesome. Well, we do high fives at the end of the video. So you guys want to do some high fives?
Yeah, let's
Oh,
do it.
yeah.
Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Happy homeowners here. So that's awesome. Wish you many happy years there. Good luck with the gym in the basement. So let's go. And guys, remember, if you're looking to buy a house, this market can be challenging. So come to MortgageCS. We'll walk you through everything. And thank you guys so much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Party on.